Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Recently, as I was browsing G Central, a blog dedicated to G-Shock news, I saw that Casio updated their Solar Square G-Shock lineup, but not with new models, but rather an updated module called 3495, fixing many features we always nagged about on the module 3159. The 3159 found in the GW-M5610, GW-S5600, and the legendary GW-5000 is one of the most complete modules Casio offers, with a 24-hour stopwatch, a 24-hour countdown timer, 5 alarms, and the world time function. But despite this, it had some things that annoyed me and most other G-Shock lovers. With this new, updated module 3495, Casio seems to have improved and fixed all those issues. The module will be used in the same watches I just mentioned, with the letter U at the end to differentiate them from the old module. So if you see a GW-5000U for sale, it is the new updated 3495 module. So far, these have been released in Japan and Europe, but I'm sure they will come to the US very soon. The biggest visible difference is the switch from the old-fashioned true backlight to an LED, a move I find to be a step back, but now you have the ability to switch between a 1.5 and 3 second duration, making it an improvement overall, as I always found the 1.5 second backlight on the 3159 simply too short. Another improvement is the so much desired capability to switch the date display to display date first, followed by month, something US buyers won't understand. But the fact is, US is one, if not the only country that uses month first, while the rest of the world uses date first when reading the calendar. So far, only few models had that, so it makes me happy Casio introduced it on the squares. The third improvement is something we love so much on the basic regular battery square that has been missing on many other G-Shocks, and that is the current time that is now visible in both the stopwatch and countdown timer function, meaning you can use those functions and still know what time it is without going back to home screen. Speaking of the countdown timer, it has also been improved with the ability to set it down to a second, rather than just the minute that we had so far. The only thing missing to make it perfect is the auto repeat function that the basic squares have, as that is one of the functions I use the most on my GW-5000. The stopwatch stayed pretty much the same, measuring up to 24 hours with 1/100th of a second precision for the first 60 minutes. The alarm has also stayed the same, while the world time has been upgraded with the most useful addition, again only used on some models so far, the quick time swap function, meaning you can now toggle between the local and home time with the single press of a button. Very useful if you travel a lot. They also added additional time zones to cover those weird time zones that aren't in sync with the rest of the world. Another addition is the instant return to the home screen by a long press of the mode button, regardless of the mode you're in. Again, a welcome change and definitely an improvement. These are subtle changes, but all so good that I have a feeling Casio is listening to its fans and collectors. In G-Shock reviews, most of the complaints I have are usually the absence of the functions they just implemented in the new updated module. I will try to get my hands on one of these new ones to make a detailed tutorial, although I guess 90% of it will be the same as the 3159 I already did. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.